Boa. That's all, Your Honor, for now. Thank you.
Okay,
Additional resource person, sir, from Press 1, Mr. Felipe Ipe Salvosa, editor. Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair, just a clarification from COMSEC. Out of the
Go ahead.
41 social media personalities, only 3 have attended.
Yes, Mr. Chair, some of them sent excuse letters
Okay.
via email.
yes, we have received of a different communication coming from the different resource persons, including the platforms like TikTok, YouTube, Google, and Facebook, Meta, Facebook, and to some personalities who have written us an excuse letter. They want to see or to acknowledge these excuse letters. Siguro isa-isayin natin, no, para at least maging fair naman po doon sa mga resource persons who have attended while others have not. So ito po yung mga excuse na galing kay Crisette Chu. I think ano to, this is reference to your invitation to joint inquiry. After careful consideration, I would like to respectfully turn down your invitation due to these following reasons. There are so many reasons, and maybe I'll be giving this to the members for their perusal afterwards, para makita natin what action to be taken. Also from Aaron Peña, meron din po siyang excuse letter. Yes. Mr. kay ano din, kay Mark Anthony Lopez, just received today. I think this is also an excuse letter. Kay June Abines, after having a discussion with my lawyers, I regret to inform you that I won't be attending the hearing today because the objective of the hearing is an attempt to curtail the people's right to expression. Kay Richard, from Richard Mata, thank you for the invitation. I just received this yesterday. Just a day before the event, I consulted my lawyer and was advised not to attend. The late invitation plus the unclear purpose of the event. We support the freedom of speech. We also support it. From Elizabeth Joy Cruz, same excuse, meron din excuse. Kay Attorney Trixie Cruz Angeles, I respectfully decline this invitation as I question the legality of the inquiry as well as the proposed legislation for being violative of the constitutional guarantee of free speech. From Ethel Garcia, decline as well. From Maui Spencer, out of the country. From Sean Wayne, long excuse. And sa TikTok, YouTube, and Meta. So I think the members have to decide on the other members who have not given us any excuse letter for not attending on this resource person.
Mr. Chair.
Mga kaserbisyo, subscribe na sa Teleradyo Serbisyo YouTube channel.